In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become Freshbooks certified. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to expect from the training, and how to successfully earn your certification and badge. Let's start at the very beginning. To kick things off, open your browser and go to the FreshBooks Academy website at academy.freshbooks.com. This is the official training hub where all of the certification content is hosted. Once you're there, you'll need to create a free account to access the training materials. The sign-up process is straightforward. You'll provide some basic details, confirm your account, and then you'll be able to log in and see the available courses, including the certification program. After you've created your account, it's time to dive into the training. The FreshBooks certification is built around video lessons and hands-on exercises that focus on the collaborative accounting framework and the FreshBooks platform itself. Plan for under 4 hours of content in total. One of the nice things about this program is that you can go completely at your own pace. You can pause, rewind, and resume whenever you need to, so it's easy to fit into a busy schedule. As you work through the modules, you'll start with introductory videos that lay out the core ideas behind collaborative accounting. From there, you'll move into practical software training, where you'll see how to apply those concepts inside FreshBooks. You'll also go through short scenarios that show how the collaborative accounting method works in real-world situations. Take your time with these sections. The better you understand the examples, the more prepared you'll be for the exam. Once you've completed all of the training modules, you're ready for the final exam. This exam is designed to test your understanding of both the framework and the FreshBooks tools. To pass, you'll need a score of at least 80%. If you don't reach that on your first attempt, you may be able to retake the exam, so don't be discouraged. Use any attempt as feedback to review the areas you found challenging. When you pass, you officially become a certified collaborative accountant. You'll receive a digital badge you can add to your website, social profiles, resume, or any professional materials to showcase your expertise. You'll also unlock exclusive benefits, including access to dedicated support from FreshBooks. Just remember, you need to complete all the training and the exam within 365 days of starting, so it's best to set a realistic timeline and stick to it.